come back, keep burning.
Yes, Kitty, we're gonna leave now. So,
Alright,
Miss
Brian.
Shay,
Yes, Brian.
it's $3,000.
Yes, Brian.
So we giving you 2 and we buy the things
Yes,
that you
Brian.
want
Yes, Brian.
out of the money
Yes, Brian.
from Miss Shay.
I love them two places. I book them two boys.
I thought they have kitty cat.
Yes,
Oh.
What happened?
No, man. No, it's alright. Something else.
Yeah, man, those can work, Kitty. Are the best one that now wisdom.
Yes,
Yeah.
my best friend, man.
Say that.
I use him up, man. Shave and love. Shave and love. When I say like that, it's not.
You ain't get nothing to give Dennis.
I'm fucking some of me. I just say that.
And then me carry back some can give you.
I'll pay my fire.
I know cookie
Come
can
here.
give, man.
No, he can't cook it.
You know, like then it's funny picture.
He can't cook, man. Bro, okay, I give him a done when he can't cook. Oh God, he made 1 2. I can't be 1 2 now. Me give him, man. I give him food, man. Do man.
When we no man, when we come back, we sort out Dennis. Just come here.
When did you come back?
Just we're not gonna come this Saturday. We're gonna come next Saturday.
Alright,
So listen to me, Kitty. Listen to me carefully. You see that money we give you?
Yes, man.
Save it so you will have when the food done you can buy something so you're not hungry.
Yes, yeah, man.
You hear?
I'm going to get food and out of me.
Yeah, but I'm not give Dennis too much of the food because Dennis will give the Rasta man most of the food.
And it wasn't far enough. So Dennis Abbey, he can't get feeling go cook with Dennis area after they leave. I call them up.
Oh, they are cousin?
Yes, man, 2 cousins. I said, you can't the Rasta want to find you have nothing neither. I'm more than a good one, so I do Rasta man. Dennis, you do it again.
Alright, so tell Dennis that we pass you because
yes,
we have to go far now. We have some other people we help like you know.
Yes,
with
ma'am,
Kitty
I know,
Cat.
ma'am. I send on way out there now.
You want to come?
No, we can't get because what I tell I'm worried I've got the other fixing me, ma'am. I will not come fix up over.
When we come up.
When we come back next Saturday.
You can't do everything.
Yeah, man, we're coming back.
You can come early, brother.
Yeah, so not this Saturday.
Yeah,
yo,
Saturday.
the other one.
You can come.
But if things work out and we can come this Saturday,
I come back on this Saturday.
yeah, you'll see.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Here you go, man.
Yeah, so me I'll try get it so you can lock the door
Yes, Brownie.
and lock out the people there so they're not eat. And you see, don't put on back that shirt, I want to come back on see you night.
Right now, I'm going to put on, I'm going to take care of, I build my 1 month, I build before I take care of doing them. I'm going to take him right away and walk by yard, so put on down there this Jimmy and take him off. I remember to you, you take it. Now I said nothing. Nothing me now about say. I'm getting hungry. Dennis go give me now say me now don't say that Dennis go give.
You make sure you not sell nothing over here, no?
Dennis go give Dennis better Dennis make it Dennis from me now want I want me now I want give man go sell it. Me now do it Brownie, me now do it. But try man now look about Jesus, put it try man me can't get about Dennis you can't give me. It's put on fire now. I got boy. Oh, let me see something there. Oh, let me see. With sugar.
No, man, you just show them in the water same way.
1.
Yeah. So like a morning when you get up, or if even when you're going to your bed,
Yes,
you just throw 1 pack in a hot water and drink it.
1 month.
And you see the last cup?
Water.
And you see the last cup? You can actually look at the last cup in there. Last cup give it nice flavor.
I'm not drink last cup, me see the sugar and drink. I'm a wet. But the water is enough, man.
No, but you can't mix the last cup with sugar, Kitty.
No, the last cup. You want me at the worst, you're going to mix it with the worst. So it's so.
Yeah, but don't put no sugar in it. Because the last cup is already sweet.
I can't want 2 packs of sugar. Well, I call the caramel to find the caramel. I'm not for drink. White tea and so can't serve sugar.
All right, Kitty.
I go buy sardine and all. I want sardine and egg. We go eat it all. But mix up and fry.
Oh, you use the sardine night?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, so when I buy again, I buy sardines. See, me say you love the sardine. Alright, then take care then. Yeah, man.
No, I cry. We can't carry back the water if you don't carry, man.
Alright, when we come back, you hear?
Alright,
Alright, cool. Alright.